Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. All 6 of you. I'm sure more will show up here in a few minutes. How we feeling? Morning, Abu, Chuck, Khaled, Mr. Fox, Dave. Welcome. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today. I am trading an Express account, so no more Combine. I did end up passing the Combine yesterday. However, my new debit card is not here, so I cannot activate it. So I will be trading one of my current XFAs today. I'll probably stick to micros just because I don't know what I'm expecting out of price action today, considering we fully retraced the sell-off from NVIDIA earnings. My key level, good morning, Donna. The key level that I'm going to be watching is 19,500. If we get above, I'll be thinking longs back into 680. If we're holding below, we could see right back down to here. And beyond, possibly. But I don't know what I'm going to be expecting volatility-wise, so I'll be trading micros. So I will flip over to the micro chart. At least for the live stream, until I build a little bit of a buffer. ES wise, I'll be looking at 56.32 once again. If we get above 56.32, I would, on the ES, I would be playing longs back into 56.48. Rejections there back into 56.15. Morning, Cade. Welcome. People are still slowly filing in. Cade, I will be trading an XFA today if you didn't hear it. Hydrate, guys. I know Mason made fun of me with water. So out of curiosity, for the few of you that are in here, I read an article yesterday about nanoplastics and plastic water bottles. And yes, I do recycle, by the way. But apparently drinking water out of plastic bottles is horrible for you. And that's all I drink it out of. City water is just not where it's at. Very metallic tasting. Even if you filter it. But I don't know. Science has come up with reasons to say, I guess, everything out there is terrible for you. So, and we're all gonna die. Hot take of the day. Yeah, might have to take a trip to polluted lakes. Yeah, I don't know. I like the taste of water. I just can't. I can't drink city water. Even though I have filters on my tap, and like on my water dispenser on the fridge. There you go, microplastics, Ben. Donna, it's all right. I don't know. I just like the flavor of it. You know, for some reason it just tastes better. I don't know why. I can't explain it. All right, markets are opening up here in about 30 seconds. Looks like we're a little light on the viewers currently. 11 of you in here. Yeah, I'm sorry, Donna. If you're offended by my drinking water out of plastic bottles. I do recycle. Not that I know what the waste company does with the recycling. I would hope that they recycle it. Kate, I have a cup of coffee every morning. If I don't have some sort of caffeine in my system, I get migraines. I don't know why. Get massive headaches. Probably around mid-afternoon it'll kick in for me. Nimkins, you're late. That's not allowed. It's not allowed. I need to put you in timeout. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I've never tracked what the waste company does with it. Morning, Michael. Welcome. If you're just tuning in, you missed our little rant about drinking water out of plastic bottles. My read for the day, when I do switch over to my micro, I am trading the XFA for those of you that just tuned in. My read today is this 19,500 level. If we're trading above it, I'm thinking longs back into 680. If it holds, I'll be patient with this, but I am trading the XFA. I will be trading micros just because I don't know what to expect out of volatility. Do Americans get lines during primary? Do we get in lines during primary school? If you're asking in lines, like standing in lines, yes, we do. If you're asking about lines of a certain substance, no, we don't get that. Morning, Martin. Welcome. As a punishment to get in lines? No. I remember when I was in, I know you call it primary school, but it's elementary school for us. We basically got in a line every time we exited or entered a classroom. I don't know how it was for all the rest of the Americans in the chat, but that's how it was for me. Oh, Nimkins. Yeah, no, Tenor won that. Tenor won that fair and square. Yeah, Ben. I mean, that's what it was for, like, in elementary school for me, at least. We were standing in lines. So you guys can see where my levels are. I would want to pull back into 500 at this point. This is a nice little pump on the open. Nice, well, 70-point ripper. But I'm not going to trade the opening bell. Not on an XFA, I'm not. I don't know, Nima. This is a pretty strong recovery off these lows. It would take a massive sell-off at this point. Yeah, Kate. There's people out there like that. Annan's kind of like that. He just wants to see the market go to zero. And if that's the case, then why are you even trading? Okay, just a casual 100-point open on the 5-minute. Oh, that's nice to see. Yeah, Donna. I mean, I don't know. What was my call out yesterday afternoon? It was 19,820. We'll see if that comes into play. Yeah, Martin. I don't know why people want to watch the world burn. Jeez, guys. Any of you hit the buy button at market open? I mean, come on. I'll stay on the mini chart until I'm getting ready to get into a position. Then I'll flip over to the micros. My ES levels haven't changed, so I'm not going to worry about bringing that chart over. NQ levels hardly changed other than adjusting this 360 to 380 level. In fact, I could probably turn this one green at this point. That's a good enough launch off that level. Morning, Phoenix. Welcome. Hopefully this thing doesn't just run away. That would be tragic. Yeah, Martin, I am trading in XFA today. I passed the combine yesterday. The live stream combine that I was trading yesterday off stream, but I don't have my new debit card yet, so I don't have a way to activate it. I'm not going to put it on a credit card, so we're going to wait on that. I'll be trading one of my current XFAs today if I catch a trade. Yeah, combine is passed. But I will be on micro contracts trading this because I'm not sure what kind of volatility we're going to see. My new debit card should be arriving anytime. I mean, the order was put in over last weekend. So as long as my bank is on it, it should be here either today or tomorrow. And we'll be starting with a fresh XFA hopefully next week. Thanks, Colin. It's about time. That was definitely the longest I ever sat in a combine. Although, no, I can't say that. Because when I started trading with Top Step, it was 3 weeks to pass. It was a two-step evaluation process, and it was the first week was limited rules. You could just kind of get it, and then they implemented a consistency target and a number of days minimum to trade through their two-step process back when I started. Just show you the card. Yeah, that's not going to happen, Phoenix. The whole reason for getting a new card in the first place was because of, well, identity theft. Nimkins, if you're talking about 550 again. It was pretty funny watching the stream back yesterday, which, by the way, YouTube copyright struck us for a song that apparently was playing in the background on Mason's end yesterday. So they copyright struck that the live stream from yesterday, which doesn't really matter. We're not monetized, so it could care less. But did you guys hear music playing on from Mason's end aside from the stream music that was playing? Because I couldn't hear anything even when I was playing it back, but yet we still got a copyright strike for a song that was playing in his background. Yeah, strange. Yeah, Nimkins, they definitely copyright struck us. Mason knows the name of the song. I don't remember what he said. Some song titled "Up All Night" or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, they definitely threw a copyright strike on us, even though we are not monetized. Which is weird because I see YouTubers all the time playing, you know, major band songs. So I wonder how many copyright strikes they get, and yet you couldn't hear any of his music on the live stream. At least I couldn't. Yeah, Ben, I don't think it was the Quant Tower, the Quant Tower alerts. I mute my Quant Tower alerts. yeah, they did. They definitely gave us a copyright strike. Like I said, I don't know that it matters because it's not like we're monetized, so we're not earning any money on it. We can use whatever music we want. Technically, I could go on Spotify and play today's chart toppers, and it wouldn't matter. It might matter at some point in the future, but it doesn't matter now. Yeah, Martin, I did. I don't know that I'll be pulling up any kind of seconds charts. But it's nice for testing entries and exit strategies. That's a nice feature. 3 copyright strikes and channel can never earn money? Really? Yeah, I don't know the exact rules on it. Yeah, I agree, Martin. Yeah, for execution purposes, it's great. What? No live streams allowed either? That seems a bit seems a bit harsh for a copyright infringement. Yeah, like, I get not being able to earn money from it, or at least any money that is earned from the content. A portion needs to go to the artist. However, to say no, you can't earn money anymore or stream anymore is a bit ridiculous. I mean, if that's the case, then we might go no music. I don't understand though. Go and watch like I mean, I don't know if he streams on YouTube. I know he streams on Twitch. But he definitely has YouTube videos out there and has a lot of subscribers. But the gambling guy from Canada, Exposed is his name. He plays tracks all the time. Yeah, I don't think we're doing anything in any of our content that would warrant us not being able to stream. Ollie, you missed a pump and a dump, is what you missed. Man, all the late people from the UK this morning. I mean, what's going on? Ollie, aren't you on vacation? What are you doing? Aren't you on holiday? Morning, Casper. All right, Martin. Yep, you were on time, Martin. Well, thanks for tuning in, Ollie. You just have it on in the background while you're packing? Yeah, I guess it's just the London, the people who live in London. It's one of the 4 days you have of sunshine in the UK, and you're here supporting me. Well, that's nice. That's nice. Casper, I don't know that anybody was going long last night after watching what happened on earnings. I definitely didn't. But we're probably going up into 680, would be my guess. Guess there's a possible rejection where we're at right now, but I guess it's up into here. 680 to 700. We are trading an XFA today, Ollie. I'll be trading micro contracts though, because I don't know what kind of volatility we're gonna have. Like, we could get up in here into the 680 and have a hard smack. Guys, just a heads up, we do have a US holiday next week. Yeah, Martin, the reclaim of 500 here and the hold above is pretty telling that we're going to see more upside. We do have a holiday on Monday. It is Labor Day here in the US, so I think you can still trade, but a half day. However, volume's probably going to be dead, so I won't be live streaming on Monday. Also, they are starting to put they're going to be doing the basement flooring and drywall and painting and all that starting next week. I should still be able to live stream because that's 2 floors below me. where this desk is, where the setup is, so I should still be able to do it with relatively minimal noise in the background. However, the week of September 16th, I have to go stay in a hotel because of the fumes, the noise, everything. All the furniture is going to have to be pulled out of my house. So I may not be live streaming for that whole week. We'll see what happens. And I'm not going to rip down this whole setup and take it to a hotel. Sorry, guys. Morning, Kev. Welcome. Do you guys think I should try out another prop? I mean, preferably not Apex, but one of the other ones. Morning, Antonio. Welcome. Is this your first time tuning into the live stream? Oh, nice. Hey, chat. Say hello to Antonio. Happy to have you here. Antonio, no, I'm not real active on Good Gains Discord. It's kind of a conflict of interest for me to post my pre-market trading plans and all that over there. I still check on people from over there from time to time, and most of my viewers are from there. But it's kind of a conflict of interest if I want my channel to grow over here. In order to see my pre-market plans and all that and my levels, I would prefer that they tune into the live stream. Yeah, that was the general sentiment I got. We tried a different venture in the beginning, which is why you haven't heard much. But that kind of fell through. So this is where you can find me from here on out. So yeah, just tune in. I live stream my trading every weekday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard. And this is where you can find me. This is where you can hear my pre-market analysis and find my levels. Happy to have you here, brother. There is, Antonio, if you're interested as well, we do have a Discord. Albu Trading and I have a Discord server now. It is linked in the description down below the video. So if you want to be a part of our little community that we have here, you're more than welcome to join our Discord. It's called Level Up. It's where you can find Albu's pre-market analysis. You'll find a lot of like-minded individuals there. I think you'll find value there. It's completely free. Yeah, just hit the link in the description below the video to the Discord and go ahead and join up. There are traders from here that do hang out in the voice chat over there and share their charts and live trade. It's a good little community. I think you'll like it. It's a little less noisy, let's put it that way, than what you're probably used to. And if for some reason that link doesn't work, Antonio, just DM me and I will send you an invite through Discord. I think my editor Mason added that link, so I'm not sure if it works. I haven't tried it out yet. Let's see, what's the VIX doing right now? VIX is down 9%. Yeah, it's a lot less noisy. It's a good supportive community. Holy ripper. Was there news? Yikes. All right, guys, I'm going to be watching this 680 level. Like I said, I will flip over to my micro charts, which don't have the levels on them if I'm getting ready to execute. Yeah, I still support Matt. I like Matt. I did even offer an invite to our little community. He hasn't responded yet, though. He's busy. He's a busy man these days. Yeah, I can't imagine pending home sales doing a whole lot to the market, but I mean, we said this pre-market 500. If we were holding above, we're going back into 680. So this move is anticipated. Yeah, Antonio, tell anybody that you talk to about the channel. We need more subscribers. I'm trying to get my editor Mason to start earning on the work that he's doing. You're more than welcome to check out all the other videos as well that we've put out. The shorts and the recaps. Obviously, I don't expect you to go back and watch all my hours worth of live streams that I've done over the last month, but yeah, tell everybody that you know. Just don't do any promoting for me over in Good Gains. I am still a member there. I just don't... I'm not as active. I don't want it to seem like I'm doing any promoting. Or self-promoting. I'm going to respect Matt's guidelines for that community. I mean, I kind of figured after the sell-off yesterday on Nvidia earnings that we would see a retracement. I don't know that I expected this kind of recovery though. I really was anticipating rejection here at 500 and back down. Kevin, you expect every new viewer to watch every video on this channel, especially last Friday? Yeah. Yeah, that was wild. You took some heat on the live stream, Kev. That is the other thing, Antonio, since you're new here. I would like to bring other traders on, and I have been bringing other traders on live streams, you know, once a week. Yeah, Ben. Yeah, Ben, you want to join Level Up. Holy ripper. This is volatile, guys. Here's 680. Yeah, Ben, the link is in the description, so go ahead and join that one. That's where we're all at, if you've missed it. It launched on, what was it, Sunday? So it's still relatively new. We are still touching up some things. If you guys have a Nitro and want to boost the server and make it even better, I mean, we'll welcome that. I am going to be changing my Nitro subscription once my new debit card arrives and my current subscription ends, so that I can boost the server so we can have more features and 1080p streaming, because that's where I'll be bringing the guests on from, so that their charts are a little clearer than the 720p. But yeah. Yeah, Ben, that's what happened. There just was, I mean, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Let's face it. I'm done talking about all that, like what went on. We're just moving on. That's all there is to it. There's nothing clear about Kevin's charts, 1080 or not. Yeah, Kev's got a lot going on his charts. But it works for him. It all makes sense to him. That's all that matters. Nice. Yeah, that's where everybody is, Ben. You'll find everybody there. Yeah, Kev, I'm glad you're finding value in the VIX. It's definitely something that I've kept an eye on my entire trading journey. Okay. Yeah, I like what we got going on in Level Up. It's a nice little community. It is completely free. It is completely public. There are portions of it that are private. We'll have private channels set up for everybody in the future. We're still kind of getting everything in place. Yeah, Colin, I don't know what I like. I mean, that rejection there at 680 is pretty nice. Good for 60 points. But that happened fast. I don't know how you caught that. Other than blind faith into a really strong market at the time. Yeah, this is wild. Donna, you're saying triple top on the daily? Well, let's look at the daily. Yeah, you're just bouncing in between the daily 50 SMA and the daily 20 SMA is down here. It's a nice hold of that daily 20 though. I mean, that daily 20's been what we've been riding as support for a while. Pretty much the whole year. There's been brief periods where we've been below it, where price has been below it, but it's been bouncing. This looks like a reclaim, retest, and hold. If we can push back above the daily 50 here. And be holding above, I like longs still. I mean, trendline traders were banking if they were just long from 18,650 roughly. Yeah, that overnight buy up. I mean, I anticipated that. I didn't think we were just going to completely melt and never come back. I did not anticipate this kind of a recovery on the market. That was pretty heavy yesterday after earnings. I'll wait to see what happens if we come back into this 500 to 520 area at this point. Hopefully things have settled down a little bit by the time we get there. Hopefully we get there. I also watched the stream back live last night a little bit. And when I went on a bathroom break and left Mason for the stream takeover, I hear him say, I don't know how Wesley does this, because he couldn't find anything to talk about. And then I come back from my bathroom break and immediately we go on that English pronunciation, language speaking rant for about 45 minutes. Didn't realize that happened. Thought it was funny. Yeah, it currently is, Nimkins. I mean, it's basically, we're just chilling. There's only 22, so it's basically like I'm in front of a classroom full of people right now. I'd imagine in the future, if we're consistent, there will be a lot more people that join when people hear about it, but we've done no promoting. Zero promoting. So unless you talk to me on a regular basis or one of the members in here, people don't know about it. And it's not like I'm going to go over into Good Gains and just sit there and self-promote. I'll get banned. Or anybody would, for the most part. And I would never do that to Matt or Gary. Or any of those guys. I have too much respect for them to do anything like that. I mean, they're the reason why we're all here. They play a large role in this. Oh, yeah, Ollie. I mean, obviously, if I'm nailing big trades on lives, yeah, I mean, people will start paying attention. For sure. It should start happening a little more frequently because you're so all I've been trading is the combine for that first month, so there's not going to be the huge trades. The most I could make was 1,500 in a day. You know, I couldn't hold a trade for a long period of time. But that's the other thing is, say I do catch the low or high of the day and I'm riding that trade out, I might be sitting on a live stream for a few hours to let the thing play out. So those days are rare and they're few and far between, so it's not a huge deal. But yeah, if I get into a position and it's going in my favor and I don't see it coming back, yeah, I might be on live stream for 2, 3, 4 hours. Because it's not like I'm going to cut the live stream mid-trade. All right, I'm watching the ES here at 56.32. If 56.32 holds, I probably will try the long. But I'm going to be patient. Yeah, I mean, if I'm catching a $4,000 or $5,000 trade on one contract, one mini, which does happen. I mean, I've definitely had 200-point trades. And they don't happen every day, but they do happen frequently enough. Yeah, and we make a short out of it or whatever. That'll get some eyeballs on it. I mean, a large part of our success, though, let's face it, is going to be all of us. And us bringing friends and family in. You know, telling them to subscribe, whether they watch or not, just telling them to hit the subscribe button. Like I said, we got to get to 500 subs before we reach any kind of monetization level. And really, you don't really make any money until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. I'm not so concerned about the watch hours because these live streams, well, even if there's 20 of us in here for an hour a day, they do count towards your public watch hours. So, I mean, that's 20 hours a day. We'll get there pretty quick. The Stock Traders Almanac promised us yesterday. Yeah, that didn't work out so well, did it? Probably should have just taken that short up there at 680. Yeah, Colin. I mean, I'm watching it. It held that 56. Well, how low did that get? 56.33? Yeah, the only problem, Martin, is right now with the floor renovations that I got going on my house, it's going to be hard to do some long form content. I don't even know what I would do for long form content. You know, I want the channel to be different. I don't want to be, hey, here's a quant tower. Here's my quant tower setup video, which my quant tower setup video would be what, 5 minutes long? You know, I don't do a whole lot. Yeah, a lot of it has to do with having a good title, believe it or not. And not even something that's like, the title shouldn't even be like trading related, to tell you the truth. It just needs to be short, to the point. A lot of it is thumbnail and title. I mean, our best performing video was a short where it wasn't even me trading. I didn't even take a trade. It was accurately predicting the market in real time was the name of the title. And it was basically me calling the move, which happens fairly frequently enough. And then watching the market play out after the move. And it did within a couple points of what I wanted, or what I said was going to happen. That was our best performing video. It's almost got, I don't know, 1,600 views, close to. But I mean, for a month in, I'm happy with where the channel is. You know, we didn't expect massive growth. We're a trading channel. It's not like we're not selling sex and we're not doing something stupid or comedic. So we're not going to grow exponentially overnight. And I'm not one of those traders that's going to sit there and bang my fists or rip the monitors off the mounts and be breaking stuff. So I'm sure I could have used that way, but like I said, I want to do it organically. Top Step Live Funded Trader would be a good title. Yeah, Mason was talking about changing the title of the live streams to include, like, since we're out of the combine portion, to include something like live trading, Top Step, funded XFA account or something like that. I can't remember what it said. Mason getting punched every time I lose a trade? Well, how is that fair to Mason? There will be no punching Mason. Yeah, the only problem, Martin, is I don't know if I want to trade my live account on stream. My live streams are cursed. Like, I have not been performing well on my live stream trading. So, I don't know that I can do live funded trader. There's Mason. Yeah, Mason's here to defend himself now. Good. Yeah, I don't know that I want to trade my live account on the live streams. Yeah, I've noticed that. There's not very many, at least streamers that trade their live accounts on stream. I agree with you, Martin. I don't know that I've seen one, to tell you the truth. I don't think I've seen Rips do it, and he seems to be the biggest Top Step guy right now as far as streaming goes. And I don't think I've seen him trade a live funded. Jeez. Guys, this market, I don't know. This volatility is wild. Anybody catch that 680 short up there? I've thought about trying out like Bulenox or what's the other one? My Funded Futures. Just to try it out, like going through the different props as like a series. I want to see how we act back here at 520, 500. Trade day? I've never looked into it. What's trade day? Martin. Let me know if we're back, guys. All right, we're back. All right, we lost everybody. Okay, we're back. Good. Let me know in the chat if everything's good. Yeah, the internet just flickered for whatever reason, and when that happens, OBS just completely shuts everything down. And it takes a minute to come back up. We are so back, Mason says. Okay. I guess we're live again. All right. I can get a pullback here into 550. I might try the long. This is looking pretty strong. In fact, I'm gonna put one on here at 580. Target 680. All right, we're back. I mean, Mason, yours is a potato Wi-Fi. I have fiber. It just glitches from time to time. We have construction going on. There's like new homes being built just across the way, so I don't know what happens. All right, I am gonna put a break-even stop in here because I don't want this coming all the way back on me and having one of those violent moves down that we've been seeing. Nice, Donna. Good catch down there. Let's go ahead and lock in a little bit of money here. Kind of wanted it to push through these tops pretty aggressively, but I'll sit in this. So we got a winner on at this point. Yeah, Donna's been killing it the last couple days. Probably get stopped out here. Yep, stopped out. Stopped out. So that was a $20 trade on micros. I don't like that we couldn't run those tops. I have a feeling we come back into 500. Hopefully it does continue to push up. Looks like the chat's killing it again. Take profit trader. I don't mind tight rules. That doesn't bother. The only thing that the rules hurt me on is my style of trading generally. Because I like to hold trades for so long. Sometimes if they have that, like Apex has that intraday trailing drawdown, that is hard for me to operate around. It's an adjustment to my trading style. Oh, Martin, they pay you day one? That's kind of nice. So you can withdraw whenever. I mean, obviously, I don't know that unless you hit a $4,000 trade or something like that. I don't know that. Because do they have a trailing drawdown as well? Thomas, the delay is bad. How bad is it on your end? Let me know. Some people complain about that from time to time. I'm not sure how bad it is. Obviously, I'm operating in real time and I don't have the stream up, so I can't tell. Well, it also could be. Was it before the internet outage that we had? Was it as bad as it is now? Oh, nice, Nemo. You went over to Top Step today? Yeah. I like Top Step. I know they're changing their rules slightly to no longer have daily loss limit. And I know it's already active on their Top Step X platform, and I think they're trying to get it for all their other platforms as well. I don't know that I necessarily like that move because you can blow an account in a day. I like the fact that you can't completely wipe out your account in one day just going on tilt. Hey Chase, good morning. All right, guys, because the internet went down, we're having kind of massive delay issues on the stream. So I'm probably going to shut it down for the day. I probably should have held that trade, actually, all the way back up into 680. It's looking like that's where we want to test yet again. But yeah, I'm probably going to shut it down for the day. It's looking like a few minutes on the delay here. So I will be hanging out in the Discord. Go ahead and pop on over there. We'll continue the conversations and everything over there. I'll be in the voice chat at some point today as well, checking on all you guys. So good luck the rest of today. Watch that 680 level and that 500 level. Those will be the reads on the day. If we get a clean break above 680 today and are holding above this level, look for longs back into 750 and above that 820. If we get rejections here at 680 for a second time, be playing back down into 500, and I would be watching this 360 to 380 level on the downside as well. Anyway, with that being said, I will be back tomorrow morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern for the live stream. Tune in. If you could, for me, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, leave a like, tell your friends and family to get the subscriptions up, and I will see you all tomorrow morning. Peace.